Hi, my name is Kathy, and when my car goes in for service at a dealership, I'm not sure if I could trust what they tell me because I'm not a car expert. I don't really understand the mechanical things they recommend. But recently, all that changed when I brought my car to a dealer that uses iService. Check out what I received on my cell phone within minutes of visiting the dealership.
Good morning and welcome to Greg Hubler Chevrolet. My name's Quentin. I'll be doing your oil change. We're going to start under the hood. I filled up your washer fluid. Your brake fluid's full to the line right here. I went ahead and checked both your air filters. Cabin filter's a little dirty but has plenty of life. Engine air filter's clean. I also tested your battery and it did pass. And we'll check your wiper blades as well for you. The condition on these are pretty good. There's no tears that I felt. And we'll go and check the other one. And these wiper blades look great as well. Next we'll go under the vehicle. All your steering and suspension looks good. Also didn't see anything leaking underneath the engine and transmission. And I'll measure your tires while we're in the front. Let's see, we're at 9/32 of an inch on that tire. And 9 on that one. So excellent life on those two front tires. Now moving to the back, all of your exhaust looks good, your drive line's solid. Your back suspension, everything looks great. I'll measure these. We're at 9 on that tire. And 9 there, so plenty of life on all your tires and everything down below looks fantastic. Alright, now we're at your front brakes. I got 11 millimeters for your brake pads. And here on the rear, I got 10 millimeters, so plenty of life in all your brakes all the way around. And that about does it for the major highlights of your multi-point vehicle inspection. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we do appreciate you stopping by.
After seeing that, I knew my car was in good hands. I could see the technician's name and experience level. The iService app let me text the service advisor instantly if I had questions. It was so easy for me to approve the recommendations because now I could trust and understand what they were recommending. Here's my recommendation for you. Only service at a place with iService.